In this video, I'll show you how to embed a video in a Mailchimp email that actually plays when recipients click it. To begin, navigate to Mailchimp and make sure you're logged into your account. Next, go to the Campaigns section from the left-hand menu, click Create in the top right corner, and select Create Email. Now choose how you'd like to design your email. You can start from scratch, use a basic layout, choose a pre-built template, or use HTML. For this tutorial, we'll use a template. Select your template, and once the email editor opens, drag and drop the video content block from the left-hand panel into the location where you want the video to appear. Next, click Add URL and paste the link to your video. Mailchimp doesn't allow you to upload video files directly into emails, so you'll need to use a video hosted on a supported platform. Once you add the URL, Mailchimp will automatically display a clickable video preview in your email. When recipients click it, the video will open and play from its hosted location. And that's how you can embed a video in a Mailchimp email.